Make a great choice today with the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, Sirius XM radio, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.